Is coming in from the national capital. The rapid antigen testing has begun in the national capital, which is a much cheaper and a quicker option to test for coronavirus. On day one of the testing that took place in the national capital, a total of 456 people were tested positive for the coronavirus infection using the rapid antigen test kits in the national capital. Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia in a tweet said the total 7,040 people were tested in 193 centers and they were tested in most of the containment zones in Delhi by the antigen kits. The Delhi government will be getting 6 lakh antigen test kits for testing people in the containment zones as much as possible. And also this is part of the centre's instruction to further boost up testing in the national capital so as to tackle the coronavirus situation. Let me bring in my colleague Ayushman, who's joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Ayushman, what has been the response that had come in on day one of the rapid antigen test kits that were conducted in the national capital? And from here on, what are the measures that the Delhi government is going to take in order to further increase the testing?
Well, Apurva, today also the Delhi government will be getting 50,000 kits from the company, and this will take the cumulative number to about 1 lakh rapid antigen kits will be received by the Delhi government. The response has been good because if you see on the very first day, 7,000 tests happened, and out of that, we have seen 456 people testing positive. At the same time, Apurva, we are being told that in the containment zones, the number will be increased. Yesterday was the first day, so the numbers were a bit low, but by today and also by tomorrow, the number of testing in the containment zone, because these are antigen kits which take less amount of time, the testing will be increased as the kits start coming to the Delhi government.
All right, Ayushman, many thanks for joining us and bringing us those updates there from the national capital.